Clean the internal part of the upper receiver using a mild solvent. Remove carbon buildup, debris, dirt, brass, and lubricant using cotton swabs and nylon brushes. Lightly lubricate the upper receiver, leaving a light film. Inspect your barrel for any cracks, bulges, or obstructions. Clean the exterior of the barrel at the locking lug interface, breech entrance, and outer diameter. Clean the barrel using a carbon cleaner solvent or CLP only. Use a clean patch and soak it with the solvent CLP and soak the barrel. Use a nylon or poly brush and stroke the barrel 5 to 8 times. Push a CLP soaked patch through the barrel. Repeat cleaning if patch is fouled. Lubricate the outer diameter and locking surfaces of the barrel. Clean the bolt, especially the bolt face and extractor claw area, with solvent and a nylon brush. Lightly lubricate the bolt body. Remove the firing pin retaining pin to release and remove the firing pin. Clean and inspect the firing pin. Clean and inspect the feed ramp and bolt catches. Remove residual oil and debris from the trigger group. Use compressed air to blow off the trigger group. Flush liberally with a light lubricant CLP or equivalent. Lubricate each side of the disconnector above the trigger pin. Lubricate the hammer and trigger sears. Lubricate the face of the disconnector. Lubricate the top of each side of the hammer spring where the spring contacts the receiver wall.